We welcome you to Farmonaut Technologies. Today we will help you out in using our admin app, so let's start. First you need to find the Google Play Store in your device and click the icon. This will open Google Play Store on your device. Search for Farmonaut For Admin on Google Play Store. Now click on the app icon and then click Install. Wait for the app to install. Open the app once it is installed. To log into the app, please enter your mobile number and click on the Submit button. You will receive an OTP on your device for login within a few seconds. Enter the OTP on the app to log into the account. You have now successfully logged into the admin app. To add farms, click on the icon Add Farms and enter the administrator username and password provided to you by the admin team for account access, and then click the Submit button. After this, based upon your current location, the system will show you your present location on the map and the administrative boundary of that location. To add any farms in that administrative boundary, click anywhere inside the boundary and the app will open a new screen where you can start adding new farms. Start adding the farm boundary by either walking around to the farm and adding your current location, or by simply putting your finger on the location on the map for 1 second to select it as a boundary point. Once the farm boundary is complete, enter farmer details and click on the Submit field button. To add additional data for a farm, click anywhere inside the boundary of the farm. You can submit farm input data, providing information about the type of input given, date of input given, purpose of input, amount of input given. Similarly for pest and disease infestation data, select date of infestation, estimated area of infected land, add images of infected part and submit details. You can also add farmer information, see farmer activity data, and so much more. For more details, check our official documentation. Thank you for watching.